Hello everybody and welcome to this video. In this video we're going to draw the two side views looking up and looking down. So by the way, in the full course we will be doing all these 9 views. The full course is available on Skillshare and Udemy, link in the description. It's super easy and almost exactly the same as the side view looking straight. And because it's almost exactly the same, I'm going to cheat a little bit. I'm going to be a little lazy, or I'm going to be very lazy, but just to save some time I'm going to cheat, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy all these layers. I'm going to copy the cube layer, the forms layer, the sketch layer, the line art layer, and even the color layer. Because I'm digital, this is easy for me to do and I can just save some time. But I'm actually missing out on some practice. So as for you, it's up to you. If you're digital too, you can copy and paste these layers. And then what we're going to do is we're going to erase the neck. And later we're going to use a transform tool to rotate the whole thing. And then after that, we're going to put in new shading because the orientation of the forms has changed. The shading also changes. If you're on pen and paper, you can't do it like that, obviously, and you're gonna have to do it again, but that's fine, that's all right, because it's extra practice. Your only other choice would be just to skip these. So I myself, I don't like the idea of skipping these corners, because I'm just a little bit neurotic, and I want to get the whole grid done. Otherwise, I'll feel like it's incomplete. So I'm picking this middle way. And I do get a little extra practice because, for example, I'm going to have to redraw this neck, and I'm also going to have to redo the shading. As for you, you can do whatever you like. If you feel like you wouldn't mind the extra practice, then go ahead and draw them in from the start, including the squares and the forms, etc. As I mentioned, there's not really anything else to learn when it comes to these views, but it's just a question of practicing the side view over again. Just some minor differences with how the neck interacts with the jaw and the cranium, and minor differences in shading. So it's up to you. If you want to do them from scratch, go ahead, or if you want to skip them, go ahead, or if you want to do like me and pick a middle way, kind of skip the construction part but redo the shading part, then follow along with me. And we can do the exact same thing for the downwards facing side view. We just copy and merge the appropriate layers. Rotate. And then delete the neck. Redraw it, and then add the shading in again. But remember that now that the basic forms have rotated, the shading is gonna lie a bit differently than before. So that's it for the side view looking up and down. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we're going to go back to the front view and we're going to do the front view looking down, which is a bit more challenging than the side view looking down. I'm just going to finish off over here. You can stay and watch if you like, or otherwise I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.